let's do a quick pump and pour bago ulit umiyak si baby. This is my pump for 15 minutes lang kasi biglang nagising si baby and wala na kasing ibang mag-aalaga sa kanya. So, let's pump and pour. I just quickly wanted to answer this question kasi I've been getting that question a lot since I'm still nursing my baby nga. Oo nga pala, I'm using the EB60. I'm still testing this out if maganda pa talaga siya. So far, gusto ko naman siya kasi parang pinaghalo siya ng EB50 and EB30. But anyways, napalayo na tayo sa topic. Oh no, may umiyak na naman na baby. Wait, Katie Boo! Last one. Oops. This Butingting wants to be in the video. Anyways, I pump 3 times a day, 2 to 3 times a day, depende kung gaano ako kasipag. Wala akong specific time kung kailan ako nagpa-pump. I just pump every morning when I wake up, and then, mga after dinner, ganon, mga 10. And then, I also pump midday. Optional lang yon. If ever nagpa-parallel pump lang ako midday, mga ganon. Only latch naman si baby all throughout the day. Parang nakulag ko lang talaga yung milk ko para may stock kami ni baby. Because I really love nursing then my baby. We have a really good relationship. I hope we answered your question. Oh, that was a big burp. Say bye. Say bye to them, Kitty Boo. Bye.